Have you ever seen Sydney from a 747 at night? Yeah.
Hello Cubs, from second Northmead, how are you? It's Baloo here. Now, I thought we might have a look at a badge, one of the achievement badges, rather than one of the boomerang badges, an achievement badge, and that is the gardener badge, because at the moment, it seems like a lot of people are doing their veggie gardens up, are putting some vegetables in their garden. So I thought it might be a good time for you guys to have a look at your gardening badge. So if I have a look online at our gardening badge, you've got to do one of the following: grow an indoor plant and care for it for a month. So do you have a plant that you've got for indoors? They're a different kind of plant, of course. They're plants that you can have inside and grow without a lot of natural light, okay? Or plant and raise at least one vegetable for use by your family. So if we have a look here in our garden at the moment, we're just starting to grow a bunch of vegetables, okay? We've got some pak choy, we've got some shallots, we've got a rows of pak choy, shallots. What's these ones over here?
Shallots here. Broccoli.
Broccoli are growing there. That's going to be the broccoli.
Spring onion.
Spring onions. And then down towards the end, we've got all of our carrots going in there, yeah?
Carrots. Yeah, quite a few weeds.
But the plan is that we're going to grow these vegetables to eat at home. So that's something that you can, if you can do, you can put it in a pot as well. If we have a look at the two pots over there are 3 pots. In those pots, we've just started to grow some vegetables as well. I think so there's some tomato plants going in there that are going to take off soon.
Deal.
Okay. Now, the next thing that it says to do for this badge is to discuss what plants are suitable in your area. So you might have to look online for that, okay? And also, you can have a look at what vegetables are seasonal. Some vegetables grow well in winter, some well in spring, some summer, and some autumn. Because we're in the end of summer, going into autumn, heading into winter, these are the plants that we plant this time of year, okay? So the next thing that I have to teach is identify weeds in your garden and assist in weeding a garden bed. Now, here's a good example. We've got a lot of weeds that have come into this garden because we've been watering a lot, you see? So if we have a look here, this is a vegetable. This here isn't, okay? This is not a vegetable. That is a weed. And all these little ones are weeds. So one of the jobs that we've been doing and will continue to do is go through and pick out all the weeds. But the thing is, you have to know what a weed is and what is the plant, okay? Because you don't want to start pulling out all the plants. So that's all part of gardener level 1. If you want to do gardener level 2, there's a little bit more work in that, okay? And that goes into looking at what a hydroponic garden is, okay? It also looks at making a compost area. Now, we showed you a compost video before. If you have a look at how you can make a compost bin, or maybe you already have one in your house, level 2 looks at that. It also looks at how to prune. Okay, do you know what pruning is? Okay, prunes is a fruit. Makes you go to the toilet. If you can't poop, take a prune. But pruning is also when you cut back, especially fruit trees. Fruit trees take a lot of pruning so that you get maximum fruit on them. If you don't prune a fruit tree back, you don't get a lot of fruit. Interesting. So maybe get online, have a look at gardener level 1 and level 2, and see if it's something that you might be able to achieve during this time. Again, send me an email or write in the comments if this is a badge that you are interested in doing. Okay, thanks guys. Good luck with your gardening.